Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on oil, we've got some very strong continuation. This is the hourly chart. And I drew an uptrend line hitting these higher lows here. So we'll see if the bulls can hold this uptrend into tomorrow. And we're looking really good. We broke the double top high of last week. We had highs at 53.75 and 53.76. So a break of those levels by getting up over 54 today. And now we're seeing some normal healthy consolidation after the hourly RSI got up to 80. So bulls in full control of oil. We look at the 4-hour chart for a different perspective. It is a bearish reversal doji that we need to be aware of for potential confirmation. But we've got our higher lows and higher highs, and we're looking back now to the high that we've seen, 54.48, and that's a double top as well. 54, or I take that back, we've got, here it is, 54.48 and 54.47. So a little double top at those levels, break those levels, and we're looking great. And looking on the daily time frame, we're still absolutely maintaining higher lows and higher highs, stair-stepping our way to the upside, and breaking that double top has just one resistance level from here, that 54.48 resistance that we just highlighted. So overall, oil is looking great still. Weekly time frame, you can see if we get above that level, again, not a lot of resistance at this zone. And 54.21 does stand out as resistance from back in February 2015. And that's pretty much where we rejected from today. I'm seeing 54.09 and 54.21. That high again today was 54.07. So after those levels, the next level that I'm looking at is previous support, now resistance of 56.54. So a potential 3 to 4% to the upside if we can get above 54.21 and the recent high of 54.48. I am really liking oil on the weekly long-term time frame heading into 2017 because of the higher lows and higher highs that we've been able to establish here, most notably 3 weeks ago when we were able to break 51.91 and 51.64. So we're keeping these higher lows and higher highs going from the lows in February, and this bounce is continuing to play out, and just a few resistance levels left until we see some nice room up to 56.54 resistance from here. So we'll be keeping an eye on oil, and certainly helps the overall market when oil is strong. The S&P 500 has some help to the upside. Checking USO, we can see we've broken to a higher low and a higher high off of the pullback from the recent high. Just that one resistance, 11.94, the highest price we've seen in months. So 11.79, the high of today. And we'll see if the bulls can continue strong. We've got the inventory report coming out this week. We'll see if we get the bullish reaction needed there to break over that 54.48 level and keep this higher low and higher high weekly pattern going for the bulls. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Actually, let's go over a bit more support. Still stuck around. Consolidation low here, 53.66. That's the ideal level for the bulls to hold. We'll stick a line there, 53.66, and if the bulls can see a higher low from there, they'll be in control still. And this uptrend line is backing that support up as well. Now we can leave. See you tomorrow.